Ethereum has been working on a protocol update to finally tackle the increased network fees for some time now, but is it too late? Well, the long-awaited Ethereum improvement proposal 1559 may come in July. Well, other alternatives like Binance Smart Chain are actually giving its share of the market, giving users a taste of what Ethereum could be or hope to be. Well, in this episode of BeInCrypto News, we believe you should know about the upcoming solutions to the Ethereum gas fees and how we can expect this to play out in this thriving DeFi landscape. This long-awaited and highly anticipated Ethereum Improved Protocol 1559 update will adjust the high gas fees and also make transactions more accessible. But while Ethereum developers are busy working away, other solutions have actually taken charge and released new platforms such as Binance Smart Chain. So in this video, we'll take a look at how Binance Smart Chain has also been holding up too, and bonus cake price analysis. I'm Jessica Walker and you're watching BeInCrypto News. Now guys, just a quick one before we continue. BeInCrypto do want to share free BeInCrypto Academy. This starts from the basic of crypto trading and helps you to become a professional trader. All lessons have interactive content to check up on, plus your understanding. Plus you get access to an exclusive Telegram community with thousands of other traders like you. So sorry for the ad there, but do remember that it is free. We'll leave the link in the URL if you are interested. So now starting with the long-awaited gas savings upgrade for Ethereum. It could be just a few months away now, according to industry insiders. The Ethereum Improved Protocol 1559 has been the most talked about upgrade for the Ethereum network since ETH 2.0 was launched in December 1st, 2020. So the EIP actually tackles the problem that has strained the network in recent months: high transaction fees. The surge in prices and also a booming DeFi sector have put huge demand on Ethereum, and as a consequence, gas fees have skyrocketed to record levels. So according to BitInfo charts at the time of recording, the average transaction fee is currently around $17 Well, this cost has actually peaked to $25 a number of times this month. So the EIP 1559 introduces a mechanism to adjust the current auction process that actually determines transaction prices. So this should have been the effect of dynamically adjusting fees so that users pay the lowest bid on the block. Now, in reference to that, Ryan Berksman, the Ethereum developer and also Predictions Global founder, has actually suggested that with the upgrade, it could be launched in July with the London hard fork. So let's talk about the positive impact. So while EIP 1559 will not actually have any direct impact on ETH prices, it does have an effect on the supply. The proposal would dynamically burn fees, which in return would eventually reduce issuance of over time when proof of gas stake gets underway. So Ryan Berksman also added that in this message, there'll be scaling benefits for layer 2 providers from the upgrade. And earlier this month, he also suggested that the long-term effects of the upgrade could send Ethereum prices as high as $20,000, which is way past the $2,000 milestone we all celebrated, due to the fee burden going back to holders as opposed to profits going to miners. So this sounds kind of bullish, doesn't it? Well, Framework Ventures co-founder Vance Spencer actually suggested that the massive burning of Ethereum fees will create a wealth effect tsunami, which sounds pretty exciting. But what does this all mean? Well, it means that there's an additional premise that miners currently need to sell their ETH to cover costs. Without this selling pressure, the asset actually has more room to grow in value under proof of stake. So since the beginning of 2021, Ethereum prices have actually celebrated a gain of approximately 155%. So do you think that the update will have a more positive outcome for Ethereum? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's take a look through the current DeFi ecosystem today. Analysts from Fundstrat Global Advisors LLC actually say that Ethereum is on the verge of a massive bullish trend that will eventually push the price of the token above $10,000. The report actually pointed out that the booming decentralized finance space will be instrumental for Ethereum's strong growth, and an overwhelming majority of DeFi projects that are built on top of the DeFi blockchain. So apart from that, who can forget the NFT industry, which is also fueling Ethereum growth? The total value of transactions in the NFT sector saw a nearly 300% growth in 2020, and this trend isn't set to slow down anytime soon. So it's said that the industry will become a major driver of the virtual economy in 2021, and that's according to a study conducted by nonfungible.com and a foresight company, L'Atelier BNP Paribas. But Binance has actually unveiled a new blockchain and a raft of DeFi projects to take aim in the industry standard Ethereum, which has been suffering from the heavy load of the all-time high fees. The platform itself reports the all-time high daily volume at current levels and liquidity of around $800 million US. Now, it's become painfully clear for anyone that's made a transaction on Ethereum lately that it's become financially unavailable for smaller accounts. The world-leading smart contract network has actually become under heavy criticism recently for its soaring gas fees, and though some will say it's a testament to its success and its demand, it has been off-putting for users to say the least. It's been evident that since the launch of Binance, it has lofty ambitions. Its latest move is focused on Ethereum with Binance's own network, Smart Chain. But now it's time for the million-dollar question. Can Binance dethrone the current king of DeFi? Well, to answer that, we need to take a look at Binance Smart Chain in a little bit more detail. So let's go. Well, Binance Smart Chain was unveiled in April 2020 and spread the word of being a blockchain that does everything Ethereum can do, but faster and cheaper. The announcement actually added that BSC, Binance Smart Chain, has introduced a proof of stake authority consensus mechanism, creating an ecosystem where validators, token holders, and developers and users all benefit from a blockchain that offers high performance but also ample space for further innovations. And it continues stating that the launch of it has been timed with a DeFi boom, which saw the sector actually explode by 720% in terms of total value locked over the past 3 months. So users can now benefit from a low-cost transaction fee, and it can be as cheap as $1 and a high-performance network capable of producing a new block every 3 seconds. Cross-chain compatibility will also help increase DeFi interoperability, while staking opportunities will benefit for BNB holders. So Binance has collaborated with a very large amount of people so far, infrastructure providers such as Chainlink, Band Protocol, and Trust Wallet. And the smart chain element comes into play supported by Swipe, Aave, 1inch, Waxia, DeForce, Spartan Protocol, and MC Deck. So the list goes on and on there. But Binance has also been cashing out on DeFi token futures, its latest being the addition of leveraged perpetual tokens such as Yearn Finance or YFI token. So although the Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain has already launched, it actually will take some time for staking to be fully implemented. So with this major growth experience across DeFi industry, Binance has very clearly taken the opportunity to create its own DeFi-enabled blockchain. So the Binance Smart Chain actually represents a pretty odd hybrid consisting of centralized, decentralized finance, which as Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao refers to as CDeFi, which is certainly easier to say. So the chain actually allows for many of the same financial capabilities that Ethereum offers, but with a much cheaper and quicker transactional abilities and also third-party oversight. So in response, many blockchain purists don't want to see a third party manage the chain. It disallows for full decentralization. However, it also helps provide more security and accountability for users. Binance has actually created many similar applications that are already popular in the Ethereum DeFi. One such example is remodeling of Uniswap, now known as PancakeSwap. So with the entire ecosystem actually running on the native BNB cryptocurrency, Binance is trying to reposition itself as an easier DeFi alternative. With the excessive gas fees experienced from Ethereum, PancakeSwap and BSC are actually finding themselves as a popular substitute for users. So now it's time for our bonus cake content as promised. So first, the movement is completely parabolic, with the closest horizontal support being at $6. Also, there is actually a pretty clear 5 waves up formation, which led to this all-time high that we saw of $21 and 45 cents, but then a subsequent rejection. So this upward move up has reached a potential target for the top. So it is possible the upward move is done, but indicators are also turning bearish since the RSI has crossed below 70. So it looks parabolic on the daily still, but there's no real structure right now, and the team at BeInCrypto will be keeping a close eye. So if Kate corrects, the closest support levels would be at $11 and also $8 and 50 cents. So despite the red that we are seeing today, what an exciting time. It seems that the Ethereum bulls might just be waking up to the sounds of exciting innovation and also the myriad of solutions for the Ethereum network problems. But how will it fare against Binance Smart Chain? Because it started off pretty strong, how long is that hype going to last? Be sure to let me know in the comments if you think Ethereum has some competition with Binance. I'm Jessica Walker and you've been watching BeInCrypto. If you like this video, then be sure to subscribe to never miss another episode of BeInCrypto News to get the most relevant updates on the crypto market every Tuesday and every Thursday.